So here is it. So I show you. So the wall width is about 18 inch, and from the house to the wall, it's about 6 feet. 6 feet from here to here. So that's a 6 feet. 6 feet from here to here, and this is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, probably 20 feet from there all the way to here. So it's 18 inch. It's a leaning. The leaning degree or offset is about 4 inches from the foot. So from here you can see, yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's a 4 inch. So let's see, yeah, that's it, 4 inch, not overlap 1/3 of the width. But I want to fix that. To fix that, it's the height is 3.5 feet. So the height here is about 41 inch from bottom to here. So to fix that, I don't know. I want to get a quote to do like a gravity retaining wall, because it's so close to the house. The house is 2 stories, so only 6 feet. So this wall is about like I want to build a gravity, very large concrete blocks as a gravity wall, then can hold that. I think that there's a slope. So from the, it's a small slope. So there are some waters go in this area to here, and there's no draining. So then on the house side, go all the way to here. You can see there's a slope, down slope from here to the backyard. So it's something like that. Right now, it's a mixed. As there's a hole I need to fix. Yeah.